Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CIDM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day today and a very brutal day, not because it was necessarily red, but because from a technical point of view, the price actually broke down below a level that it had been doing a fantastic job of holding nicely up above, which is right here. You know, that green line, generally speaking, was doing a good job of maintaining the price. But then with the gap down today, that was just basically the opening of the floodgates as the price continued to drift lower and lower. So like I said, yeah, it was a bad day because it was red, but from a technical point of view, it was just a really bad day because not only did it break through that level of support, but you can see here late day today, it actually broke below that pink line and is now beginning to separate to the downside. And that pink line represents the 200 period moving average, where even if you have a surface deep basic understanding of technical analysis, I'm sure you've heard of that 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is above it, you want to see the price stay above it. And that's just, like I said, not what's going on right here. So if there is any sort of attempted bounces back in the upwards direction, first key area of resistance is now going to be that pink line, which is just based on the classic rule. When levels of support are broken, they tend to act as resistance, and that's valued at $1.32. So that'll be the initial area of resistance, like I said, on any sort of attempted movement back upwards. But if this downwards drift continues, the next level of support now to keep an eye on would be right down here around the dollar. Let's see, what is that? $1.23 mark. So $1.23, next potential area where this thing could very realistically head. Nothing's guaranteed, but I don't think anybody would be shocked to see the price get down to the $1.23. And if it does, then it just becomes a big question of, okay, will it finally be able to find some support there, or is the price just going to, continue to, push to the downside? So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, by no means was this a good start to the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.